Reynolds, and we're looking at her swing. And what I want to talk about is loading this back leg right here. Why is it so important to get this back leg loaded properly? A couple things. One, for bat speed. So when we pick our front foot off the ground, right here, the only thing connecting us to the ground right now is this back foot, which is attached to your leg. Right? And so I need to be able to use the ground to create energy that works up my body and then eventually out the bat, right? And so I have to do a good job of loading this back leg. Again, we're going to talk about how to do it in a minute. But that's the first thing, bat speed. The second thing, timing. So when I pick this foot up and I start to move forward, right, I need to be in control of my body. So hitting is all about timing. Pitching is all about disrupting timing. And so I need to be in control of my load, and I need to make sure that I'm in control of my body as I move forward so that I can decide when to launch my swing. Then the third part is being able to turn your barrel deep and get your barrel behind the ball. So if I'm able to stay loaded around this leg and not jump forward or leap forward, well, now that allows me to turn my barrel deep back behind the ball. Again, hitters that kind of jump forward or get on their front side too early, they typically can't turn the barrel deep. They kind of push out front. They don't have a very good path. Now their consistency goes way down, right? Their contact rate goes down. They're not able to square the ball up. They're not able to drive the ball. So those are the three main reasons. Now, let's talk about how to get the back leg loaded. My leg is going to turn when it's time to hit, right? So let's watch again. So right here, when it's time to hit, when it's time to launch my swing, my leg is going to turn, right? You see that Nike switch back there? There it is. So that leg is turning. And so I need to prepare my leg to turn. So it's not just about getting my weight back, like I'm going to jump someplace. I don't want to do that. I want to get my leg prepared to turn. And so if I want it to turn this way fast, well then I want to load my leg that way. It's this move. Watch your leg. Watch that Nike swish right there. So this move right here, that's the key. And so what is she doing? Simple thing. We talk to all our hitters about it. Take your back pocket. If you're a left-handed hitter, it's your left back pocket. If you're a right-handed hitter, it's your right back pocket. And I want to take that pocket and I want to get that pocket turned towards the pitcher. Right? So right here, see how she's turning the back pocket towards the pitcher? What happens when you do that? When you turn your back pocket this way, you close or coil your hips that way. So now my back leg went from here, Nike swish. Watch the Nike swish. There to there. I've loaded my leg. Now I just hold that load, right? I'm coiled up. I'm ready to go with my lower half. Now I hold that load. I stay coiled as I move forward, right? So I coil. I start to move forward. I hold it. Keeps coiled, keep coiled, keep coiled, keep coiled. Eventually my body says, okay, time to hit. Swing. Now I swing from that loaded position, from that coiled position, and boom. Oh, that's her celebrating after the homer.